Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the third question in exercise 5.3. Find dy by dx when x is equal to 1 plus log t by t squared and y is 3 plus 2 log t by t. So first we need to compute dx by dt. For that, let's note down x. X is equal to 1 plus log t, the whole divided by t squared. So I'm going to rewrite x as 1 by t squared plus log t by t squared. So this will make my differentiation very easier. So now let's do dx by dt. So dx by dt, for the first term, this will become minus 2 by t cube. Here I have to perform u by v. So v squared will be the denominator. So I'm putting that already in place, t power 4. Now v u dash. So t squared into differentiation of u is going to be 1 by t minus u v dash. So log t into differentiation of t square is 2t. So in the next step, this can be simplified as t. So let's rewrite that. So dx by dt is equal to minus 2 by t cube plus t minus 2t log t, the whole thing divided by t power 4. So I'm going to take the t common outside. So minus 2 by t cube plus t into 1 minus 2 log t, the whole thing divided by t power 4. So I can cancel out the power and reduce it to t cube. So it is minus 2 by t cube plus 1 by t cube minus 2 log t by t cube. So next step, I'm going to combine this minus 2 by t cube and plus 1 by t cube. So this is minus 1 minus 2 log t, the whole divided by t cube. This is the answer for just dx by dt. So now let's calculate what is dy by dt. Before that, let's circle out this particular expression. We are going to use that for dx by dt. Now y is equal to 3 plus 2 log t, the whole by t. So I'm splitting this as 3 by t plus 2 log t, the whole thing by t. So now let's differentiate y with respect to t. So this is minus 3 by t squared. Now here comes the u by v. So by v square will be the term in the denominator. I'm putting it already in place. Now v into differentiation of u. So it is 2 by t minus u into differentiation of t. So it is minus 2 log t. Now in this case, let's cancel out the 2 and t will get cancelled. So dy by dt is going to be minus 3 by t squared plus 1 minus 2 log t. 2 minus 2 log t, the whole thing by t squared. So here also there is no need for taking LCM. So let's just simplify and write dy by dt. So dy by dt is going to be minus 3 plus 2. So it is minus 1 minus 2 log t, the whole thing divided by t squared. I'm taking the minus sign outside. So it is minus of 1 plus 2 log t, the whole thing divided by t squared. So this is the expression of dy by dt. Now we are going to find out what is dy by dx. So dy by dx, according to the formula, is dy by dt, the whole thing divided by dx by dt. So in the numerator, it is minus of 1 plus 2 log t, the whole thing by t squared by, here also I'm taking the minus 1 sign outside, minus into 1 plus 2 log t, the whole thing divided by t cube. The minus sign and the minus sign will cancel. This particular expression in the numerator and the denominator will vanish. So this will become t cube by t squared, because this is denominator's denominator. It has to go up to the numerator, and this numerator's denominator will come down. So it is t cube by t squared, which is equal to t. So dy by dx is equal to t. In the next video, we will see the solution for the fourth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.